It's the final video in our bodyweight plan. And as you can see, the location has changed a little bit. Where is Brandon? Where am I? Well, I'm in Poland visiting my wife's family, and I'm gonna need a workout partner, so I've gotta look around the area. I gotta find somebody. There's a lot of people here, a lot of tourists, but I need to find a buff dude. You want to be in a buff dude's video?
Hell yeah!
Oh, nice, I found one. All right, here we go. This is the final episode. We're gonna get it started right now.
Jedziemy!
Was the last exercise of the workout. Do you know what this means?
What?
It means, Kamil, my buff dude Polish brother, that we are finished with the buff dude's bodyweight plan.
Whoa! I wish Brandon was here.
Kamil, Brandon is always here, in spirit. Wherever there's a weight lifted, whenever there's an exercise performed, Brandon is there.
To all buff girl and buff dude around the world, and to Brandon.
Kochamy was! Next on the list is gonna be plyo push-ups. So we had to make do with the only thing we could. King Kong's balls. We cut those bad boys off and we used them to perform push-ups.
Ooey gooey was a word.
It happens when you're out in the sun too long.
Ooey gooey like to squirm.
This episode is stupid.
The railroad track.
Downvoted. Don't downvote. Son of a bitch.
Oh